Hello, this is your channel Sosa NASA 1 in English. My name is Emmanuel. I am engineer. In this case, I'm going to show you how to use this digital multimeter to measure voltage from these power outlets. This is very easy. If you do this test, you can know if this power outlet is working or not. Let's start. The first step is set up this digital multimeter. In this case, we are going to use this digital multimeter to measure altered current voltage from this. This means I need to choose ACV, altered current voltage mode. Is this mode. Inside this mode, we have two levels, 200 volts and 750 volts. In this case, it's better choose 750 volts. This is the voltage limit. Now, the next step is watch this part. This is the test probe, and we connect the negative here in the common and the positive here. Ready. The next step is connect this inside these two spaces. This is the phase and this is the neutral line. For measure voltage from this power outlet, we only need to introduce this here and now introduce the other here. And now watch on the digital multimeter screen. In this case, we are watching 124 volts, more or less. This means the voltage is stable. This is a good sign from this power outlet. Means this power outlet is working correctly. Now disconnect here. And now turn off this digital multimeter. In this way, you can use this digital multimeter to test a power outlet like this. This is all for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe in our channel, give me a like, share this video, and see you next time. Subscribe to our channel Sosa NASA 1 in English and activate the notification bell to receive the notification every Saturday of new videos.